Hi there, my name is Jessica. I live in New York City. I'm part of a craft group here called Craftermath. You can find us online at craftermath.blogspot.com. I really like making crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flower-shaped name tag. So we've got a few different materials here. We've got some glue, scissors, markers, and different color paper, including a piece of cardstock, which is what the actual base of the name tag is going to be made out of. So we're going to take our cardstock, and basically we want to know what kind of shape of a flower we're going to use. So there are a lot of different kinds of flowers. There's, this kind of flower like that, for example. But I think that what I think would look really nice is kind of a tulip-shaped name tag, something along these lines like that. So that's the shape that we're going to do today. So first thing, we're going to take our paper, and you're always welcome to draw the shape on the back, but I like to kind of work freehand. So I'm going to cut a stem into it, and then I'm going to begin to shape the tulip part of the name tag. And it's going to have a few petals that are going to come up here. And, this is sort of an improvised thing. If you like the way that this works, that this looks, for example, and you want to do another one that looks exactly like it, no problem. You can use this one as a stencil, and you can just make another one that looks very much like it. So now that I've got the shape of my flower, I'm going to bring it back down on the other side. I've got my stem, and go ahead and just clean it up a little bit if you like. And you are in business. Now you've got your name tag here. Now I'm going to take some paper of another color, and I'm going to add a little bit of shape to it, just to give it a little bit of, something. That's something. So je ne sais quoi, I think the word is. So I'm going to just go ahead and use it kind of as a stencil and cut another sort of copy, I guess, if you will. Not exactly, but just going to trace the outside edges like so. And then I'm going to go back in. This part is I'm just going to freehand this. I'm going to cut one piece up like so, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, just like that. Then I'm going to take these pieces and I'm going to glue them so that they kind of come up and around. And you can even have them going out a little bit, which is a nice touch, sort of like the flower is opening. So we're just going to glue that one down here. Just open it up a little bit and do the same thing. And you don't need to put glue all the way up, since some of the petal is actually going to be kind of hanging off of the flower. You just kind of have it on the bottom, just like that. And it's okay if the glue comes out, because it's going to dry clear and you're not going to be able to see that anyway. Now, as an added touch, I'm just going to take a little piece of green and I'm going to cut the corners off. And I'm going to make this really cute little leaf that's going to go towards the bottom where the stem is. Just going to put that right about there. Great. Just push it down. Give it a second to dry, and we're in business. Now you can take your marker, you can write your name on it. My name is Jessica, so I'm going to write Jessica on mine. And then, once everything is dry and you're all set with it, you can take a straight pin, and you can actually just pin it into your scarf or your sweater or what have you. You've got this really nice little name tag. So that is how you make a name tag in the shape of a flower, and happy crafting.